Hi everyone. Um, my Birchbox is here. This one, quite cool packaging. It's called Fruity Burst, Fruity Beauty. Let's get started and have a little look. Everyone loves Birchbox unboxing apparently. Okay, so product number one. Beauty Pro Coconut Infused Sheet Mask. It's like it was reading my mind. Really fancying a bit of a pamper night tonight. You wear it for 15 minutes and I love coconut, it's just one of my favourite things. Vegan, fabulous. I mean, they're a bit scary looking, aren't they? But I do love a sheet mask.
So I've since tried out this mask and it doesn't smell of coconut and it's really disappointing. If it's going to say coconut infused, then you'd want coconut scented, wouldn't you really? Yeah?
Okay, next one. Oh, Seattle, London. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Let's have a sniff. I love anything watermelon. Okay, I'm going to have a little read about it. Infused with watermelon, this unique aqua serum primer grips foundation for long wear and added glow with witch hazel extract, niacinamide, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Tick! This primer helps to brighten and refine pores while the watermelon extract droplets combat dehydration. I'm guessing this is probably suited for someone who's got drier skin than me. My skin's quite oily, so we'll see. I've got a feeling this might be not suitable for me, but might be better for someone else. Yeah, it might be suited to someone who's got a little bit more of a dry complexion, but it smells delicious. Okay, next. Dr. Pawpaw. I love this stuff. So I've got the red one and the original one. So this is a soothing balm. So you generally the coloured ones you wear on your lips, you might want to put it on your cheeks, but it's only going to give you a bit of colour. So let's give it a bit of a try. The original one you can use on your cuticles, you can use it on dry skin, you can use it all over the face. This one I'm guessing has got quite a bit of a pinky colour to it. Oh, it's quite nice, it's not too pink. Okay, it's called Hot Pink. Little pop of colour, but nothing too crazy. Really great handbag favourite. My lips are so dry at the moment, I don't know why. Okay, so next, well, I was running out of their Factor 30, so this is the Polar 50 Plus Sun Lotion, very high protection. So have a little read what it says. Okay, so Birchbox has said, we love a multitasker, especially during the summer. This velvety formula offers high UVA and UVB protection, fighting sunburn and premature aging. Water resistant, light and non-greasy. Oh, that's good. It spreads easily and suitable for sensitive and sunburn prone skin. So I quite like the Factor 31. I've been wearing it on all the kind of hotter days when I know I've been out and about. If I'm at home, I tend to not chuck a Factor 30 on. It seems a bit of a waste of time, but if I know I'm going to be out, then Factor 30 or Factor 50. But this one is 50 plus, so it's a bit stronger, so this would be amazing for like those beach days, those days when you know you're going to be out in the sun all day, going for a long walk. Now with my oily skin, it'd be really interesting to see how that copes. Like the higher the factor, generally it doesn't seem to sit so well under makeup, so we will see. Okay, so the last one is Lorraine Laboratories, and it's a shampoo with mango butter. Normally this kind of thing would go in my going away bag. Don't really do that anymore. So, oh, there's something so lovely about a fruity shampoo. That smells lovely. I've had something of theirs before. I think it was a shampoo last time and I did quite like it, but I think it was more of a like eucalyptus mentholy flavour rather than a fruity one. It does say for dry hair, so maybe it's not so suitable for me because, again, my hair's oily like my face. So it says this mango infused shampoo nourishes and protects the hair shaft without weighing it down. The detangling formula helps to improve softness and shine, not to mention its gorgeous fruity smell. Plus, it's free from parabens and silicones to keep your strands feeling healthy.